Today, let's discuss Sudsies' wedding dress dry cleaning and preservation services. Imagine your precious wedding dress receiving the same level of care and attention it took to create it while cleaning and preserving it for the next generation. Sudsies Dry Cleaners, since 1996, offers a prestigious wedding dress care service designed to ensure your gown remains as breathtaking as the day you first laid eyes on it. Our expert bridal and formal wear artisans hand clean, hand finish, repair, and preserve every delicate detail, from intricate lace to flowing silk, using the gentlest techniques. Whether you need your dress impeccably cleaned before your big day or carefully preserved afterward, we treat your gown like the cherished memory it represents, delivering white glove service tailored to your every need. The process of dry cleaning your wedding dress. 1. Begin your journey with ease. 2. After your special day, simply request a complimentary pickup of your treasured wedding gown, knowing that Sudsies is here to take care of every detail. White glove care from the start. A dedicated Sudsies valet, part of our prestigious Black Label service, will arrive at your home at a time that suits your schedule. They will carefully handle and transport your gown to our local restoration facility, ensuring it's in expert hands from the moment it leaves your site. Personalized assessment. Upon arrival at our state-of-the-art facility, your dress, along with any accessories such as your veil, gloves, or train, will undergo a meticulous inspection. You will receive a comprehensive estimate detailing the required care, repairs, and an accurate lead time, all tailored to the unique needs of your gown. Artisan restoration and preservation. Once you approve, our skilled artisans will repair, clean, and finish your gown with the utmost precision, treating it as the masterpiece it is. Finally, your wedding dress will be elegantly returned to you, preserved in an acid-free archival storage box designed to maintain its beauty for generations to come. At Sudsies, we don't just clean your wedding dress, we preserve the memories of your most cherished day. Reasons to choose Sudsies when selecting a cleaning and preservation service for your wedding dress. Expertise in delicate fabrics. Sudsies specializes in the meticulous care of delicate and intricate fabrics, ensuring your wedding dress is cleaned with the highest level of precision and attention to detail. Personalized white glove service. With Sudsies, you receive a concierge-level experience, including convenient pickup and delivery, so your wedding dress is handled with the utmost care from start to finish. Long-term preservation. Sudsies offers professional preservation services that protect your wedding dress for years to come, using advanced techniques to maintain its beauty and prevent yellowing or damage over time.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. This gesture means a lot to us and helps us create better videos in the future. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for being part of the Sudsies community.